Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to type in another language on Android keyboard. Alright guys, first of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. And then you're going to scroll down until you find the management or general management setting, this one. Tap on the general management. And then since we want to type in another language on our keyboard, we can tap on the keyboard settings. Okay, and tap on the languages and types, and here you can manage your input languages. If you want to type in another language, you can tap on the downloaded languages right here. You can select the language that you want to apply to your keyboard, and I'm gonna go with Chinese and Korean as well. If the languages haven't been downloaded on your setting, you have to download it first. You can download the language right here. You just need to tap on this download button. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how we can change or switch from one language to another language on our keyboard. I'm going to open my message. Wait guys. Okay, and here I want to type in another language. So here, as you can see, that my keyboard is in Indonesian language and we have to switch it. We can swipe left or swipe right on our space button like this. Okay, and here I want to type in Korean, and I'm going to type in Chinese as well. This is my Chinese keyboard, but wait guys. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can type in another language on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.